Good morning. Welcome back. Feels good to be back in the saddle. Back to trading, back to live streaming. It's going to be a good day today. I got a new setup. So, yeah, I mean, hopefully the mic sounds okay. If not, let me know and I will work on fixing it later on. But, yeah. Let's play some funky music. Down a bit. Alrighty. Wow, feels good to be back. Yesterday, I was not streaming because I had an emergency dentist appointment. I had to go to the oral surgeon and get a tooth pulled and a bone graft put in. So I have stitches up here. It wasn't good. But we're good now. We are ready to go, and I'm ready to make some money today. I don't know about you. Let's take a look and see what we have going on today in the marketplace. You know what? First things first. God, I feel like it's been so long since I've been on that I already forget what I'm doing here. Forex Factory, got to know what kind of news events we have going on today. Why is everything tentative? Doesn't matter. It doesn't involve us. Anyway, it's China. As far as playing news events today, we don't really have anything too important today. So really clear day ahead for trading. No real planned news events coming out today. Bank of England set to further delay quantitative tightening until gilt markets calm. Of course they did. So what does that do to the gilt? Nice. It's not spiking anymore. So that's good news for them. Japan Chief Cabinet Secretary Matsuno says we'll take appropriate steps on excess Forex moves. No, you will not. Sorry about that. Alrighty. Cool. Mike sounds great. Awesome. Thanks, Nick. Appreciate it. Thanks, Birta. Good to see you guys. Good to be back. All right, let's take a look at the Dixie first and foremost to see where we think the dollar is headed today. Clear some of this junk out of the charts. So really, if you take a look at the current price action, kind of sitting in this consolidation range that we just broke now below. Looking at two things for the Dixie here. First thing is we are sitting at this previous rejection area of support and resistance. So potentially just sitting in this consolidation range, pushing back up towards 114. We also had this nice consolidation range here that we just broke below and closed below, now retesting today. So could be more of a muted action today. If Dixie closes above 112.50, then we have a clear indication that we're heading back up towards 114 and sitting in this consolidation range. If it closes below and rejects 112.40 area, then this could come as a nice close below rejection and we head back down towards 110. So kind of sitting in that pretty important range. So not getting much out of Dixie today, I feel. Let's take a look at rates. 10-year rates sitting at 4%, hovering near its highs here. If you take a look at the these previous highs, these highs right in here, we had a nice close above, retest, sitting right above this 397 area. So as long as the rates remain above 397, it's going to stay elevated and we're going to have a secondary run towards 417. However, if we can get the rates pushing back below 397 and we get a close below this area here, we could get a nice extended pullback in the rates, which would be a positive sign for the equities. Speaking of equities, having a nice rally here out of the lows. 3,600 holding pretty well. Strong close yesterday, gapping up today, and we're pushing even higher. So at this point, we should be good to go to, if we can break through this area that is, this area here that we're entering now, pretty strong area of rejection in the past. A lot of wicks, a lot of rejection, resistance here. This was this move right here was a nice fake out retest. We're now butting up in this area again, as well as these descending highs. So going to be a tough area to break through. If we can break through this 3750, should be good to around 3900, and then we'll see how 3900 holds. Most likely gives it up and falls, but I think we can get a nice little bit of an extended rally here, especially if the rates don't really break out. But we'll see. 4 hour looking good, consolidating right here at these highs. Right at this breakout. So it feels like we can get a nice little squeeze in the equities today. Gold. Gold. So give me 1 second. I have I have food to the left of me, and I took my medicine for my tooth, and I really am not supposed to be taking it on an empty stomach. So I'm going to mute my mic, but kind of periodically throughout the show, I'm going to be eating it so I don't feel like shit during the show. Feeling pretty good right now, but that's because I took the medicine. So give me 1 second. Maybe like every 30 seconds I'll take to eat, and then I'll come back on for 10 minutes, and then 30 seconds. It's just getting cold, so give me 1 second. Yeah, it's going to take me a while to eat, so I'll take a bite every now and then. No, sorry, go. Leave me alone, damn dogs. No, not one. Shoo, go. 1 second. All right, now that that's taken care of. So taking a look at gold here. Gold's in an interesting area. We're sitting in this daily range here. And we had now broken below and closed below. Yesterday, had a nice rejection. Tried coming back into this range, but rejected pretty heavy and closed weak. Current daily came up into that area as well, shooting a rejection and potentially flipping bears to head back down to lows here and continuing lower. Nice 4 hour bearish engulfing. respecting these descending highs here, but finding some type of support here at 1650. So we'll have to take a look at lower time frames to see what entry looks the best. So we're clearly sitting with these descending highs here. And this morning, earlier this morning around London session, pre-London session, we had a nice rejection of these highs and a nice pullback. And so what it seems like is going to happen here is we keep getting knocked down after creating these lower highs, right? And so it's kind of wedging here pretty tightly. And so often, more times than not, when I see something like this, you get a nice big drop. And so I will be looking for shorts until structure is broken and until we get a break above 1660, then I will be looking for shorts. And so it's in a weird range right now, but kind of in a way I'd like to trade this today is I'll look for some type of starter position, more or less where it's at now. Somewhere in this range, this range right here is where I'd like to take a starter position. And then once it starts confirming the bearish flip, you start pushing below these lows here, then I'll look to add a second position and look for a run down towards 1640. And potentially down towards 1630. Pretty clean range down to 1630. And so I'm going to be looking to accumulate some short positions. Probably take an initial short right now. So we're going to kind of scale into this one. And really, I mean, you can see the 5-minute creating a secondary trend line here with these descending highs. And so I'm going to look to start accumulating some positions here. I'll try first against this minor trend line, and then I'll try second against this second trend line. And if it finally breaks through and rejects 1650 and pushes through 1660, that's when I'll look to start looking for longs, and I'll flip my bias. But as of now, I'm going to look to start accumulating some short positions. Oil. Oil's now below this 87 mark. 87 was the bull bear neutral point, tug of war, where really determines who's in control. Broke through 87 and closed. Pretty strong move Friday. Closed below. Yesterday we saw a nice retest of 87, and today we retested it one last time, and we're pushing bearish. So you can expect oil to start continuing down towards 80 bucks. So shorts are in play for oil today. Spread is crazy on gold. Not on mine. My spread for gold right now is 1.5 pips. So it's not too crazy on mine right now. But yeah, so oil shorts against this 85.36 would be ideal, as we rejected it on the backside and we're now heading back down. Pound yen shorts look nice as well. We had these nice ascending lows, this nice channel we had grinding up the last few days. Today we broke below, we retested it, and now we're heading down. Coming back up to retest this breakdown here, and so I'd like to look for shorts to push back down today. So if I can get a bearish 15-minute close against 168,700, then I'll look to take shorts here for a ride down for pound yen. So waiting on pound yen shorts here. So my plays today will be pound yen shorts right in this area here. And then gold. I'm in one gold short right now. One position, that is. And then I'll look to add a second position. But give me 1 second. All right. Back. Gold. Pound yen. What are you guys looking at today? I want to know what you guys are looking at. Drop it in the chat. While I have a bite of my food, drop it in the chat what you guys are looking at today. Alright, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. What's going on, Mo? Good to see you, man. Alrighty. Where did my music go? Oh man, oh man. There we go. All right. Pound yen entering the area of potential sells. I'd have to see it. I really want to see if bearish 15-minute close on this one though, because it's just been grinding up pretty strong from these lows. Oh, let's see. I think I'm going to take a starter position on the pound yen shorts here. See if we can reject this area here. Good morning, Roberto. What strategy you are using? I am using an intraday trading strategy. I'm not a scalper and I'm not a swing trader. Kind of look for the overall move. So basically, I just kind of play a market structure. All right, so for example, for this trade, we have these nice ascending lows that we just broke. Right, we just broke. We're now retesting that breakdown. And so I'm looking for a continuation down here. So I might be sitting this trade for like an hour, maybe two. So I'm not a swing trader, not a scalper, just kind of look for the trend intraday moves. I usually look for around like, I mean, this trade's gonna be like 180 pips, but so yeah, pretty simple. Support, resistance, trend lines. That's about it. Alrighty, 15-minute has closed. Pound yen closed with a rejection wick in this zone that I was looking to take sells on. Nice weaker bearish or bullish candle. Just looking for a continuation down here. Gold. Still in this rejection area here. 15-minute closed with a wick. Potentially rejecting this zone in here. And so this zone I have drawn here is the ideal area where we take sells and we reject in gold. Price action seems to be a little muted this morning. Gold's sitting here consolidating. Probably get some more volume come 8 o'clock, 8:20 COMEX open. Same with pound yen. Retesting market structure before volume comes in. We most likely continue market structure down. So kind of going to be a waiting game today. Going to require some patience. Gold seems good for sure. I mean, if you take a look at this overall move, right? So we had this drive down yesterday after an icy open. And then over Asian session, we had a nice rally to fill this move. And then we got knocked back down. London Open, you know, we had tried rallying, but we couldn't, and then we filled some of this move and got knocked back down. Currently, grinding up, trying to get some momentum in it, and we can't, so I assume we'll get right knocked back down as well. The momentum in the buying is just not there. Be right back. Pound yen showing signs of rejection here on the 15 and 5 minute and 30 minute. 6 minutes left in all of the closes. 8 a.m. volume comes in, so should start seeing price action set up for it. Five minutes left. Could get a nice rejection in GJ pound yen here. Going to be really the area to reject. If we don't reject this area here, then I'm really not going to be that interested in it until maybe like 169, 600 area. Somewhere up in this area here. So if we do break my entry point, I want to consider getting out, but we'll see. Gold potentially closing bearish with a rejection in this zone here, maintaining these lower highs. Again, we have 4 minutes left, so we shall see. Just looking for a 100 pip move on pound yen here. So my entry point is at 762. My take profit's gonna be at 788. So just looking for a quick 100 pips. No big deal, 100 pips. Currently we are up. Whoa, what is going on here? Currently we are sitting up around 30 pips on pound yen. Gold. My entry on gold wasn't the best, but it should still be okay. 1652.94. 1652.94. I feel like price is off a little bit, but close enough. Stop will be about 20 some pips. Take profit's going to be down probably towards 1645. Look, keep an eye on it right around like 1646, 1645. Two minutes left. Gold. Would be nice to see a nice bearish engulfing here. 30-minute providing a nice rejection wick potentially. 2 minutes left. I'd like to see 8 o'clock volume bring us down, because then COMEX open volume will follow that direction. $28 seconds. Pound yen, 30-minute closing with a nice rejection wick. 15-minute closing, a weak bearish candle. Gold closing with a nice bearish engulfing potentially in 10 seconds. Except it's going to do a little swervy dervy. A swervy dervy. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Nice close on gold. 30-minute, nice fat rejection. 15-minute, we'll call it a bearish engulfing. Why not? This is a tough range that we're sitting in here now, so I'd really like to see this 8 o'clock volume break us down out of it. So 820 can get us that continuation. Pound yen, nice 30-minute rejection wick, 15-minute more somewhat bearish candle. Well, not too hot, but I like the rejection zone, so ooh, we'll see. Oh, fancy new mic. Now we can be a pro vlogger. Yeah. Yeah, I got a whole new setup. Actually, let me show you. If this will move. I got a mixing board. I got a Rodecaster Pro 2 mixing board. I got the Stream Deck here. And I got this new fancy schmancy Shure SM7B mic. So we're now a professional vlogger. I don't even know where I had this sitting at, but that's all right. But yeah, so I still got to play with the settings. Hopefully it sounds okay for today, but I haven't gotten really a chance to play with it. It's really cool because I can talk like this. I'm gonna have so much fun doing some DJ stuff. Now, it's not for music. This is for podcasting and streaming. There's a lot of so Mike and I we're trying to do the podcast from the same room, so we can create our our trading pit, our little trading pit again. And so I got this mixing board so I can plug his mic into my mixing board, and that way hopefully it will keep the reverb and the mic bleeding. That's what this is for. See if we can make that work. And I'd like to make the audio and quality of the shows a little better. So there we go. The Rodecaster Pro 2 mixing board. But if I want to DJ, I can. An excuse for new toys. Yeah, you're right. I can't help it. I love my new toys. I like playing with new equipment. Alrighty. Pound yen. Nice. Retest. And let's see if we can get that rejection. Gold. I really want to see gold maintain this rejection heading into COMEX Open, because COMEX Open could do me dirty if we kind of hang out here. So we'll see. Borderline, did I miss anything good yesterday? Because I was not able to trade or do anything, obviously, because I had an emergency dental appointment. But did I miss anything news-wise or charts-wise? Fill me in, because I wasn't able to catch myself up as far as news events are concerned. I'll catch myself up after the stream, but... No huge new short squeeze for no reason. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, what the hell is this market doing? Like, okay, Friday's action made sense because like, shitty news. We're heading back down now. But then Monday, we get no bottom wick and just shoot out of the lows. And now we're gapping up and shooting up even more. So I don't even know what's going on with this damn market. Doesn't make any sense to me, to be honest. But I feel like maybe we'll get a squeeze. If we break through this zone of 37.55, then I feel like we get a nice squeeze at 3,900. And then we can go on our merry way back down to lows. Potentially, but I don't know what's going on right now, to be honest. All right, we have about 13 minutes left until COMEX open. So let's see if we can get gold to start pulling back a little bit. Everything's kind of just chilling. It's kind of frustrating. It's like, let's go. Let's get a move on, guys. Come on. I originally thought we'd get a pump to 3,900s before CPI. Now the base is actually a stronger W. Yeah. It's true. I mean, it's interesting, right? Because you have, like you said, this strong double bottom. But really, we're looking at this divergence play here as well. So I could get a nice rally towards 3,900. But I don't know how much more we get from that. I'd honestly be surprised if we broke through like 39.50. Then you know, I mean, this market's made no sense at all, to be honest, but that would really. Silver relative strength compared to other metals. Stay on for COMEX open, then I'll hop off. I'm gonna give myself a break, a rest before the show. I'll probably be on the show by myself, so that should be interesting. Mike's traveling. I think Nick might be busy today. We'll see. So I may be on it by myself. Although Thursday I go on my honeymoon. So you only have me until, well, today and tomorrow. And I'll do the morning show Thursday, but that's it. Oh, God. Vacay or work stuff? If you're talking about Mike, it's work stuff. A little bit of both. They'll use it as an excuse, work stuff, but it's really just to have a vacation out of it. All right, yeah, so where to? Key West. So that's his work trip. That's his work trip. Key West. Now he's going out of Key West. That's where he's at now. For the honeymoon? Oh. We are doing our honeymoon in Africa. No, I'm just kidding. Key West. They have this thing called Fantasy Fest. Don't know if you've ever heard of it, but Fantasy Fest is next week. And we decided that we want to just go and people watch and enjoy the festivities of Fantasy Fest down in Key West. So, yeah. But don't worry, I'm kicking Mike out of the same state as me when I'm on my honeymoon. Mike's going to be kicked out. I wanted to go to like Italy or something, but I'll probably save that. Nope, sounds like a nerd thing. Well, if it's a nerd thing, then you definitely must have heard of it because Warlam's the biggest nerd out there. I'm gonna wait for gold. I'm not gonna like. So this was like a open stop for gold. I'm gonna wait to see what it does here. We'll see how it closes. Yeah, chicks with painted tata. Yep. You guessed it. It's a happy thing. Oh, man. That's not... It's going to be an interesting place to go on a honeymoon with my wife. Where chicks have painted tatas. Oh, my God. Don't make me laugh. My tooth is sore. Alright, let's see what's going on here. We got this is the last 5 minutes until COMEX open. I'm gonna put a hard stop at 1657.83. That's where my hard stop's gonna be. But I'd like to bring it down. Pound yen's just kind of chilling. I think man. Christ, I got these like bone particles falling off my tooth. They said that's normal. I got like a freaking bone shoved up my gum. Oh man, oh man. Barlam, how does the audio sound? Do you think I need to mess with it, or does it sound good enough? I don't even want good enough. I want it to be like studio quality. But I probably also got to treat the room a little bit. But how does the mic sound itself? Do you think I should mess with it a little bit? You know what, Borlam? You look like you're going to pop up to 1657. Yeah, it was good enough before, but I wanted a new toy. I gave Mike the setup I had before because we all know that he needed a new mic. So he got my old setup, and I wanted a new toy. Do I have to lean into the mic? I'll just do it just for fun. So if I'm sitting back here, does it sound a lot different if I'm not leaning into the mic? Because now I'm not leaning into the mic, and I want to know if it sounds any different. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. No, I don't really mind. I actually find it fun. I don't really mind. But I can fix it to where I don't have to lean into it. I don't even know if that... Softer now, but same quality. I can just up the gain. So I just upped the gain now. So now maybe that'll be better. So I upped the gain, so now maybe I don't have to lean into it. Gain is up. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. That sounded better. Alrighty. Pound yen rejecting here. Gold being a little. I thought I had a. Oh no, that's my other mixing board. Oh no, it's right here. Gold being a little. You little mother. Gold's being up. I don't even know if that's working on the stream. I'm just like laughing at myself because like guys probably can't even hear the sensor. Portalam, get out of town, brother. Nobody wants your 1657. You go take it yourself. You're going to 1657. What's going on, JT? Good to see you. Oh, you do hear the sensor. Well, that's good. You know what, Portalam? Then you. Oh, man. This is great. Comex Open is now... Oh, that's probably too loud now. Let me bring down the gain. You know, I actually like enjoy talking to the mic, so I'm going to bring the gain back down. Gold is annoying. That's all right. Yeah. Yeah, 1657 is definitely going to be getting that button. Nah, sorry, buddy. We're not getting 1657. It's going to swerve it. Swervy dervy. Swervy dervy. All right, but let's go now. Let's just swerve it real quick. I am going to give my mouth a rest because I'll be doing the show myself later today. So that's exciting. But I'm going to give my mouth a rest. So look, here's what's going to happen today, Born Alum. Gold's not going to hit 1657. However, on the very 1% chance that gold hits 1657, my hard stop setting at 1657.83, but it won't hit it. My take profit, I'm going to bring my stop down eventually, somewhere back down in the vicinity of 1655, not yet. My take profit's going to be sitting right around these previous lows, around 1647, 1646, because we're going to get a nice tanky tank. And that's that. If big if, because it won't, gold stops me out. It's going to be interesting because we are then potentially breaking structure here on these descending highs, this trend line here. So we'll see what happens. If we come up, retest it, and close back below, I'll consider it just a retest, and I'll look for shorts again. Tap 1651 that goes back up. Nah. Wrong again, Borlam. Wrong again. I'm sorry to say, but that's, wrong. What is this? What is ducking? What? Hello? I don't know what that is. But yeah, so we'll see. Hard stop 1657, 85. And then if we stop me out, but we close back below this area of 1657, then I'll look for shorts again. And that's that. If we don't do that, then I will not be touching gold the rest of the day. Yesterday was so messed up. Several things were detached that normally have confluence. Gold, TLT, VIX, Dixie. Well, I'm glad I didn't really trade yesterday then. Maybe it was a sign from the universe that, hey, you'll get your tooth fixed because you don't want to trade today. So that's good. The ES, broken highs of the day. Could be a nice grab and dump. We'll see. Pound yen hanging out. Let's see. Let's set my levels. $169. Man, let's put it like, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna be watching 169, 250 area as my main stop, but like it's gonna be kind of open. I'm gonna be watching price action here. Tough area. Take profits. Be looking to fill this wick here from overnight. This was a nice little mini flash crash that we had overnight at 5 in the morning. So I'm looking to fill that move here. Getting around 100 pips out of it. But main area I'm watching is this 160, 200 area. As far as if we push back up and we stop me out, I'll look for another entry of shorts in this area here to head back down. That is the close of yesterday. So, booyah! But that's it. I don't even want to look at gold here. I'm gonna hop off, give myself a resty rest. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. It was a pleasure being back and having you on the stream. I will see you in Discord. Look at gold rejecting. Didn't even touch 1657. Sorry, Born Alarm. I will see you in Discord. I will be on the show myself at 1 o'clock. So make sure to get your popcorn and entertain me. Because after all this, you're entertaining me, not me entertaining you. So get some popcorn and bring some entertainment. Beautiful gold. Beautiful. Don't let gold scam you. Not today, buddy. Not today. Not today. See you guys. See you, Borlam, JT, Nick, Roberto, Birta. See you, everybody.